For centuries, we knew their power by taste and color.
Sour curd, biting stings. But what unseen force links them? Vinegar, stomach acid, industrial acid, all trigger the same change. Yet another force reverses it, turns red back to blue.
Bitter taste, slippery touch. The opposite players are everywhere. Mixed, they battle to a silent standstill. Neutralization.
Leaving behind only salt. But why? What is the hidden war?
The secret isn't in the substance, but in an invisible particle.
The proton. A positive charge.
Alone, it's unstable. But in water, it finds a weapon.
Becomes hydronium. Caged by water, but hungry for a fight.
This is the true face of acidity. Not a molecule, but a roaming ion.
An acid donates this proton.
Strong acids, like HCl, commit fully. They surrender every proton.
Creating an army of hydronium. A corrosive, reactive horde. Bases fight back. They deploy hydroxide ions. Negative and ready. When hydronium meets hydroxide, annihilation. Pure water remains, leaving only spectator ions behind. This is neutralization, but not all acids are equal. Weak acids, like in vinegar, are hesitant. They hold their protons tight. Only a few ever break ranks. Strength is a numbers game. More free protons, more devastating power as a problem. Ammonia cleans grime, feels basic, but has no hydroxide. Because the real war isn't about hydroxide, it's about the proton itself.
Ammonia steals a proton from water. This is the true, deeper definition. The old theory saw the soldier. The new theory reveals the robbery.
And water? It's a double agent. It can give a proton or take one.
This is amphoteric, the ultimate molecular spy, playing both sides.
So many bases hide in plain sight. Carbonates, baking soda, antacids. They all work the same way. They are proton thieves. Forget taste, forget color. The universal rule, acids give, bases take.
The proton is the prize, the center of it all.
Every thief, after its crime, becomes something new.
And can change back. This is a conjugate pair. Two sides of a coin.
Protons are passed in an endless relay race through the solution. The war zone inside you. Your stomach is a vat of strong acid. But sometimes, the factory overproduces. The acid army grows too large.